Let's have a little bit of fun this morning. It's time to build something this morning with Sarah from the Imagination Station having a little bit of fun. Good morning.
Good morning.
And anytime you wheel in all this stuff, I get so excited over in the Weather Center.
Well, this is a good one. We're going to do some really relevant but really simple science today.
Okay.
So we're actually going to kind of look at how a speaker works and then build our own.
So this is something that you would typically find in a car or something?
Yeah, or the speaker on your cell phone, or if you have Bluetooth headphones, any kind of speaker.
Okay.
So this is kind of a small speaker. On the bottom we have a super magnet, which is kind of stationary in place.
That sounds fun.
It's
super magnet.
Yeah, it's like a rare earth neodymium magnet.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And then if we take the cone apart, actually if I flip this over, there's a really tight copper coil wire in there.
Yeah, just wrap right around it.
Yeah, and that actually acts as an electromagnet. And so when a current is applied to these, what happens is those magnets then are allowed to kind of attract or repel from each other, and then that causes the vibration that...
So that's how you get the bass.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. So
now,
that little thing can make all the bass.
Exactly.
Wow.
So let's try it with this big one.
Oh, I like the bigger one.
Okay. So this has the same setup. We have a large super magnet on the bottom. We have that electromagnet coil in the middle.
Right.
We're going to add some air molecules in here, just for good
also
measure.
Also known as ball pit stuff. Whoops.
Uh-oh.
Let me get that.
That's
you got
okay.
that?
It's okay.
I got so excited. We were getting ready to do an experiment. Okay, plug it in.
So what we're going to do is you're going to actually use this hand joiner, and if you kind of move that handle back and forth.
This?
Yeah.
That's going up and down. So
yeah.
just go around.
So go back and forth. And you can see that our magnet...
It's going up and down.
Yeah.
It's because you have it attached to it.
So it allows that repel or attract to happen, and then those vibrations occur, and then that vibration actually travels to your eardrum decodes it, sends that to your brain, and then you recognize sound.
Wow.
Pretty cool.
Just that easy.
Yeah.
I'm not very musical though.
That's okay.
Okay.
That's okay. It's going to get better.
Okay, good.
All right, so let's get this out of here.
I can't keep a beat.
All right. So now what we're going to do is use the same idea, but we have a piece of cardboard. I've applied a piece of copper tape on here, and we've hooked it all up to an amplifier.
Okay. I have an amplifier here.
And I've also hooked that up to my iPad. So let's see if we can hear some sound. Okay, so you hearing it?
Not hearing much.
No. We're missing one key piece, and that is our super magnet.
Oh.
So you can be in charge of the super magnet.
And this is what? A rare earth element?
Yeah, rare earth neodymium.
Okay, what do we do with it?
So you're going to move that across our copper tape. Now can you hear it?
Yeah, you can hear it now.
It's kind of faint, but what you're doing is allowing that magnetic field to interact. Okay.
It seems like it's getting louder, quieter,
right.
It's moving around. Okay.
So let's increase it a little bit. And we're actually going to increase the amount of copper wire we have available, because remember, inside of our little speaker there were tons and tons of turns and coils in there.
So let's see if it increases.
Yeah, so we're going to hook this up. So go ahead.
Wow.
So now we have much more magnetic area for that interaction to happen.
And it gets louder as you get it closer.
Exactly. Try from underneath. And then as you pull your magnet away, that interaction decreases, and then we lose our sound.
That's pretty incredible.
Really awesome, right? Okay.
Classical music on your day.
Now we're gonna do something kind of silly, but really fun.
This is my favorite part, whenever we do silly stuff.
So you're not gonna need the magnet for this one.
Okay, no more magnet.
So no more magnet. And I'm gonna turn that off for a second. Now I'm gonna use a small motor, and we're gonna hook this up to our amplifier again.
Oh, I like where this is headed. All right.
We're gonna turn our amplifier back on. All right, let's see. We're gonna play Name That Tune, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now we're sending our signal through. We have vibrations happening. You might be able to hear the vibration, but you probably can't make out the sound.
Yeah, you can hear a little bit, but there's not much going on.
So we're gonna use a popsicle stick. I'm actually gonna press this against the motor, and I want you to actually bite down on the popsicle stick.
Okay.
Now, can you recognize the song that's playing?
Amanda got it.
Did she hear it?
Don't Stop Believing. You could hear it. You could hear it through the microphone.
Oh, could you? So what's happening is those vibrations are now filtering through that popsicle stick into your teeth, which make your jawbone vibrate. Your eardrum reads those vibrations, and your brain recognizes the song.
I'm like a super bass.
Exactly.
Cool.
How neat is that? Should we try a different song?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay. All right.
There we go.
Try this one. So what's that one?
That'll be Pharrell, Happy.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool.
That's amazing.
Isn't that we have this vibrating. We can't hear it. Unfortunately, our viewers can't hear it. But by you funneling those vibrations essentially through your teeth
Yes.
into your eardrum, you can recognize that sound.
Okay, that's really fun, but I'm glad we have car speakers because I don't think I could drive around with a popsicle
bite
stick
a
in my
popsicle
mouth. Yeah, it'd
stick?
probably be a little bit difficult.
But it's really super science. We had, just a couple of things. We made a speaker, which is really amazing. And this kind of technology has actually been kind of consistent since it was invented. There have been very few modifications because
It's one of those
it was
things
such
that
a
was
good
almost
system.
perfect when it started. Sarah,
Exactly.
thank you very much. Imagination Station stopping by this morning, and
Yeah.
I got to bite a popsicle stick. That's always fun. WTOL 11, your day is back in just a moment. Don't stop believing.